Good morning.
Good morning from Osaka.
Yes.
It
Day
is our
2?
last day in
Day 3?
Japan.
Yeah, it's like a day 3 in Osaka. Gone quick.
It's crazy. I cannot believe we are leaving tomorrow. We are a little bit devastated about that. We love this place. But yeah, today on our last day we are heading to Nara.
Yes.
That was good timing.
Oh, nearly a crash. Actually, the first time I've seen that in Japan.
Yeah, that was not pretty.
Yeah, we're heading to Nara Park, where you have like the bowing deers and stuff. Still not 100% sure how I feel about the whole deer thing, but I guess we've got to see it to know how to feel about it.
Yeah. So we're going to get the train over there and see what it's all about. But there's more to do in Nara than just the deers, I think.
Yeah, it's just an absolutely beautiful park, so
Yeah.
the scenery should be unbelievable.
Yeah, but we're going to get coffee in our favourite place to get coffee, and by favourite I mean cheapest, 7-Eleven.
Good old 7-Eleven.
I think that cost $6.20 each.
$6.10
each to get here. And yeah, we are right here, right next to the park. So we're just gonna, I think, walk up this main road and then we're there, I think. So yeah, let's go check it out.
So you may be a bit like us and find it a bit weird to see like deers around loads of humans, but
yeah, but they are wild deer for starters, and they are running freely in Nara Park here, which is just so bizarre. Like there's nothing.
It's amazing.
I've never been to anything quite like it. Now initially it feels a little bit odd, like is this okay? Is this ethical? Like what's going on here? Are they being treated okay? So we did some research and we can't be 100% certain, but I'm pretty certain it's all good.
Yeah, well, what did you say? They're like a national treasure almost. Like
they're considered a sacred animal, a helper of the gods. And basically they're
That's a bold status.
Yeah, they're seen as like a sacred animal, and I think they're very well looked after. And when it comes to the crackers and the food, they're not dependent on it. They're not dependent on the crackers that the people feed them.
Yeah, because basically you can buy some crackers to feed the deer, which are like, what are they made of? They're rice
Wheat,
and stuff.
flour and rice, I believe.
Yeah, so they're no sugar or anything like that, but they're not dependent on them, so they do like eat off of the land and...
Yeah, the main percentage of their diet is still the grass, so it's not like they're dependent on the humans. And yeah, I just wanted to make that clear because I know that initially, when we got off the train, I was like, oh God, this feels a bit wrong. I don't know, but I really don't think it is. And I think as long as you follow the rules and don't try and, rile them up or do anything stupid, then I think it's a lovely experience.
Yeah, and they're so cute and they're so friendly.
They are so beautiful. They are lovely. So we're going to have a little wander through the park. I think we're going to get some crackers and see if we can feed them. But as soon as you buy them, they've got like their noses up your butt. So,
yeah, they're banging your bag.
They're very quick. So you basically get them and then hand them out straight away. But yeah, we're going to get some, and then we're going to head to a nice pond and to a shrine and a temple, because there are loads of things in this park, not just the deer.
So let's get going.
Gentle.
Okay, you can have it. There you go.
Oh.
Did you nick one?
No. Oh, look at you. Okay, you be greedy. There we go. One for you, and then one quickly for you. Oh no! This one's out of mold.
Be greedy. Hello.
Oh, it's on the lens. Okay, so as you would have seen, we just fed them. They are so lovely and gentle. But yeah, as soon as you got them in the hand, it's like go, 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 go. But you're supposed to bow to them, and they bow to you to get the cracker, which is just lovely. And yeah, but that was 300 yen, and now all gone in 30 seconds.
It didn't take long, did it?
It didn't take long at all. They're hungry little guys. They're so gorgeous though.
It's so friendly.
They're so friendly. I mean, it does say everywhere that they can get aggressive. I haven't seen it today, but I'm sure that it can happen. I mean, you know, people rile them up or do something to annoy them, I guess. But yeah, they're lovely. I love them. And it's a beautiful place. Like, it's absolutely stunning to walk around. These gardens are like something else. It's really gonna head back now. We haven't been here for too long, but I think we're both just so wrecked from the amount of walking we've been doing.
We've done so many steps every day.
Our feet are, oh, you don't want to know. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna jump on the train and we're gonna head back. And tonight we're gonna go out for our last dinner in the country.
The Last Supper, so sad.
Which is very, very sad. So we have to find something awesome.
Yeah, we'll try.
We will try our very best. Yeah, let's get the train.
Let's go. Good evening. That's been a few hours.
Oh man, we crashed hard.
Like, actually fell asleep.
Yeah, like that. We never do that. I don't know what's wrong with us.
No.
Oh, but yeah, we are heading out to dinner. We have just got about a 20-minute walk. And yeah, Tony's picked us something. What does it do? A bit of everything?
It's like a ramen restaurant, but I looked at the pictures and they had some like katsu type chickeny pork cutlet bits and they look pretty good. So
that sounds good.
Fingers crossed. And we ran out of cash too, so hopefully they'll take card.
Yeah.
They looked like a nicer place, so I'm pretty sure they'll take card because a lot of them do. But yeah, last proper meal in Japan.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was like an epic fail. We like, when you're on the internet, you kind of got to pick something on a pin and go for it, and if it doesn't work out, you're kind of stranded. So that's what happened. And we worked our way back, and we found this restaurant that takes card. But we walked in, and it's we ordered a beer, and it turns out it's sushi, and Lorna doesn't eat fish. But yeah, I've ordered sushi for the first time in Japan because I'm not a massive fish lover, but I'll eat it, and it looks pretty cool in here. So yeah, fingers crossed it comes out well, but we'll see. Oh. Oh, and the day is at the end.
Yeah, we didn't really film much for dinner there because it was just it wasn't the best meal we've had.
That's what happens when you end up stretching and just finding something. Happens every time.
But yeah, it is the end.
It is indeed. It's the last video in Japan.
I know. I can't believe how fast this has gone, but it's been amazing.
Yes, it has been. And the next video you see is going to be, excuse me, it's going to be a bit of an interesting travel day.
Oh, it's going to be long.
2 days, travel 3 days.
It's very, very long.
Yeah, so
but
stay
we'll
tuned.
explain all of that next time. But yeah, for now, we will say good night, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Look at you. Naughty.